of the flywheel is applicable to Mercedes-Benz and MAN engines. This tool is used in any operation involving engine rotation, such as distribution phasing, valve adjustment, or camshaft position regulation. JALTES includes procedures referring to this type of tool. Next, we saw an example of the procedure of distribution phasing with JALTES in a Mercedes-Benz Actros 4 truck. We select truck vehicle type, Mercedes-Benz truck brand, Actros family, and Actros 4 model. We access the vehicle technical data module to select the corresponding engine type and consult the distribution phasing information. In the header of this procedure, we can see the different special tools within JALTES tools family that should be used. These special tools also appear in each of the steps where they should be used.